portrait of a moment in time. Think of this: the Pacific Ocean, an azure crystal enveloping the Hawaiian Islands. Off the coast of Molokai, the Tortuga, escort boat to the swimmers. A group of teenage swimmers, known internationally as the zombie swimmers. The swimmers had arrived on the island earlier in the week and had originally intended to swim the channel between Molokai and Oahu. But on the day of the swim, the currents and ocean chop proved to be too large, and so a first ever swim was drawn up along the southern coast of Molokai. As the swimmers gathered on the shore with their gear packed and ready, coaches and crew go over one more time the plan for the following morning. The crew at the Tortuga was reminded to set their alarm early, as the swim would be starting promptly at 4 a.m., and if they didn't, they would be awoken to zombies.
Zombies are pretty loud, so...
It's okay.
Oh yeah, you can hear us from...
Last time...
And before drifting off to bed, the kayakers ferry over the last of the gear, for the morning would come soon, and this was to be a journey that none of them had seen the likes of before. The zombies had arrived.
Well, no, I don't need to glow stick.
That's how Zach typed it. So loud.
And indeed, they were loud.
Excited. He's excited.
I'm bummed that I lost sleep. I have to wake up at 2 a.m. in the morning to do this.
But that was not to be said of the other swimmers. And so, it begins.
Ready? Ready to go. Let's do this. Kayak in the water first. This is a test. But I blow this whistle real... Guys, listen up. Listen up. I blow this whistle real loud. Maybe something's going on. Now it's a test. Okay? Let's be...
Nevertheless, there was lots of downtime on the boat. With 2 swimmers in the water at any time, swimming half hour each, there was much leisure and recuperation to be had for the swimmers on the boat. With the arrival of the morning light also comes the change of shifts, as the zombies continue their relay along the coast.
Yeah. Sunscreen, a water bottle, and one of those. Yeah.
Who in the water? Who coming up?
Almost 7 hours in, and the zombies continue to impress. While maintaining a close distance from the shoreline, the swimmers avoid the heavy chop and strong currents of the deeper waters. And so begins the pattern, a seemingly endless rotation of zombies going in and out of the water, steadily chasing their prey, a prey which is neither human nor animal, but one of time and distance. And so, it continues.
CJ! CJ!
Having swam 12 miles, the halfway mark of the swim, the crew headed back to where they began, while also chasing the finish. But the fair winds and slow currents were already beginning to change, and the chop began to rise.
What time?
We're stuck in the captain.
Chances of us getting out of this are not great.
Though the afternoon currents proved to be too strong, there were encouraging words to be said by the man they called Jeff.
Don't feel bad, because, well, first of all, it was, if you thought that was rough, the channel would have been quadruple that, with wave height, and so that was too unsafe. But, hey, you guys stepped up and did it, and that was a long day of swimming.
Thank you. Hold on to something.
By the time the last swimmers came out of the water, the zombies had collectively swam almost 19 miles down a rocky and choppy Pacific coastline. Unfortunately, sometimes the weather takes you out of the game. But should you find yourself in the company of someone who is there, he may tell you this: zombies get back up. And even at the end of a long day of swimming, zombies still like to play in the shore break. Don't lose the kayaker now. Anyway. And so ends this chapter on the zombies. An ending in part, but not in full. I hope you enjoyed our program today, and thank you for watching.